everyone, today we will discuss about state, capital, districts, languages of India and 8 union territories of India. So let's start. First, Andhra Pradesh. The capital of Andhra Pradesh is Amravati. There are 13 districts and languages are Telugu, Urdu, Tamil, Kannada and Odia. Second, Arunachal Pradesh. The capital of Arunachal Pradesh is Itanagar. There are 25 districts and the languages are Hindi, Assamese. Third, Assam. The capital of Assam is Guwahati. There are 33 districts and the languages are Bodo and Assamese. Fourth, Bihar. The capital of Bihar is Patna. There are 38 districts and the languages are Bhojpuri, Magahi and Maithili. Fifth, Chhattisgarh. The capital of Chhattisgarh is Raipur. There are 28 districts and the languages are Hindi and Chhattisgarhi. Sixth, Goa. The capital of Goa is Panji. There are 2 districts and the languages are Konkani, Marathi and English. Seventh, Gujarat. The capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar. There are 33 districts and the languages are Gujarati and Marathi. 8th, Haryana. The capital of Haryana is Chandigarh. There are 22 districts and the languages are Haryanvi and Hindi. 9th, Himachal Pradesh. The capital of Himachal Pradesh is Shimla. There are 12 districts and the languages are Pahari, Hindi and Sanskrit. 10th, Jharkhand. The capital of Jharkhand is Ranchi. There are 24 districts and the languages are Hindi and Bhojpuri. 11th, Karnataka. The capital of Karnataka is Bengaluru. There are 30 districts and language is Kannada. 12th, Kerala. The capital of Kerala is Thiruvananthapuram. There are 14 districts and languages are Malayalam and English. 13th, Madhya Pradesh. The capital of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal. There are 55 districts and the languages are Hindi, Urdu and Bagheli. 14th, Maharashtra. The capital of Maharashtra is Mumbai. There are 36 districts and the languages are Marathi and Hindi. 15th, Manipur. The capital of Manipur is Imphal. There are 16 districts and the language is Manipuri. 16th, Meghalaya. The capital of Meghalaya is Shillong. There are 11 districts and the languages are Garo, Khasi and Assamese. 17th, Mizoram. The capital of Mizoram is Aizawl. There are 11 districts and the languages are Mizo, Chakma and Lakher. 18th, Nagaland. The capital of Nagaland is Kohima. There are 12 districts and the languages are English, Nagamese and Assamese. 19th, Odisha. The capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar. There are 30 districts and the languages are Odia and Magdi. 20. Punjab. The capital of Punjab is Chandigarh. There are 22 districts and the languages are Punjabi and Hindi. 21. Rajasthan. The capital of Rajasthan is Jaipur. There are 33 districts and the languages are Marwadi and Hindi. 22. Sikkim. The capital of Sikkim is Gangtok. There are 4 districts and the languages are Nepali, Bhutia and Tibetan. 23rd. Tamil Nadu. The capital of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. There are 38 districts and the languages are Tamil and Telugu. 24th. Telangana. The capital of Telangana is Hyderabad. There are 33 districts and the languages are Telugu and Urdu. 25th. Tripura. The capital of Tripura is Agartala. There are 8 districts and the languages are Assamese and Tripuri. 26th. Uttar Pradesh. The capital of Uttar Pradesh is Lucknow. There are 75 districts and the languages are Hindi and Urdu. 27th. Uttarakhand. The capital of Uttarakhand is Dehradun. There are 13 districts and the languages are Hindi and Garhwali. 28th. West Bengal. The capital of West Bengal is Kolkata. There are 23 districts and the language is Bengali. Now we will learn Union Territories of India. First, Andaman and Nicobar Islands capital is Port Blair. There are 3 districts and the languages is Nicobarese, Bengali, Hindi, Tamil and Telugu. Second, Chandigarh. The capital of Chandigarh is Chandigarh. There are 1 districts and the languages are Hindi and Punjabi. Third, Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu capital is Daman. There are 3 districts and the languages are Gujarati, Konkani and Marathi. Fourth, Delhi. The capital of Delhi is Delhi. There are 11 districts and the language is Hindi. Fifth, Jammu and Kashmir. The capital of Jammu and Kashmir is Srinagar and Jammu. There are 20 districts and the languages are Dagri and Urdu. 6. Ladakh. The capital of Ladakh is Leh Kargil. There are 2 districts and the languages are Ladakhi, Urdu and Hindi. 7th. Lakshadweep. The capital of Lakshadweep is Kavaratti. There are 1 district and the languages are Malayalam and English. 8th. Puducherry. The capital of Puducherry is Pondicherry. There are 4 districts and the languages are Tamil, English and French. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye. Thank you.